it's time to upgrade your dash cam. Why? Because this one is a 4K high definition dual channel GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice control. I'm going to show those things right now. All right, now we can see everything out of the box. Let's begin with the easy stuff. Installation tool. And yes, and we have here the installation parts. You're going to be installing your front camera and back camera. Now, cigarette adapter with the USB cable A to C to power up the camera. The back camera cable USB C to C will mark as well too. The diagram, super simple. If you're going to install dual channel or triple channel, show you how that works. An extra USB cable A to C, manual, super easy to follow. Now let's go to the back camera. Pretty simple. Remember this to be inside your car. You're going to put this in your back window. Fill this up, follow the instructions, and then you set the right angle. Now with this little guy is a polarized lens. This will give you a better image. It's like the professional cameras, and will stop the backlighting that you get from the windshield. So this is polarized lens. The way it's going to work, that's a nice add and comes with the package. You're going to go like this, so you even get better quality. Just exactly like the professional cameras. That's the only thing you need to do. Real camera. You look at right in the back, that's what you're going to put right in the windshield. This part is the GPS, by the way, and that's the powered end. Now the front camera, we already installed the polarized lens. Sure stays there. Seal that out. Yeah, perfect. So that's a polarized lens, and we're looking at this way. Memory wise, we're going to install the recommended memory from the manufacturer. That supports up to 256 gigabyte. Let's do that right now. All right, so this is the 256 gigabyte recommended from the manufacturers. I'm gonna just perfect. The little dog there. Now we have the front camera, great resolution, as you see right now. Now let's check the back camera. It's just a little dark because I do have tinted windows. The great resolution at night. Yeah, it looks great, even though I have a tinted window. So it's a great camera. And by the way, it's super easy to install. And if you want to remove the camera, also takes a second. Let me show you that right now to remove the camera. As you see, super easy to remove the camera and put it back. In case maybe you want to clean your windows and remove it and put it back.